guys see what's going on here? You see what's going on in the background here? The guy wearing the army shirt's my training partner. I taught him everything and he knows. And now he's training other guys. So basically, he's taking money off my table. What am I gonna do? I feel sorry for him. At least I taught him something.
What's this? What did he say? Whatever he said, don't believe it.
You knew that I was coming cause you heard my name, but you don't know my game and never felt my pain. Can't read my brain, but you read my lips and got scared when you heard that I was coming with hits. Now don't even trip, be a man instead. Give thanks I'm alive when I should be dead. I'm in the red cause my mind's distorting. People claiming they know me, but they only know a portion. I'ma move mountains and touch the sun. Don't get scared now, you knew this day would come. So hold your bids, all bets are closed.
What's going on, guys? We're in Windsor, Ontario at Lifestyles Family Fitness, and we're going to do a little bit of back today. We're about 2.5 months or 3 months into the off season, or my off season. I'm sitting at about 285, between 285 and 290. Things are going good. I'm staying a little bit leaner this year. Not lean, but leaner. And I don't know, we're going to try and get it done. I got a few more months of off season. I want to keep this going all the way until like October, November, and just try and put on as much quality size as I can before next year's Flex Pro, and see if I can finally take that win there that I've been trying to get for the last couple of years. But anyway, we're going to get to some back, show you guys a few tips and tricks, hopefully that you guys can use in your own workouts, and go from there. So. Fouad Abiad. One day, you bust your ass hard enough, I'll put your name on a set of dumbbells too.
I used to party with the babies on the Lower East Side. Every time I 40 cause the old rock east side. She rides to the 100 folks, the fast we roll. 2, 3, 4, and hit the back. I get that crack game, rap game. Now I let my axe back. Living in sin and it's a beautiful thing. I'm on a twang like hang, rock like roll. Got soul like Stevie when I'm under the sun and so. Somebody's gotta feel that. Somebody stop